Right guys and girls, welcome to the video, welcome to AutoPod. So today is going to be a little bit different, different style to what I normally do. We've finally got the vlog sort of set up, and we're going to head over, so obviously I live in Wakefield, so we're going to head over to see one of my mates who's at work. It's working over in Dodder. So we're just going to have a quick blast down the M1. We'll see what we can see what mischief we can get up to. Hope you're well. So yeah, please let us know if you do enjoy this type of vlog, this type of video. I have tried to make my previous videos quite informative, to be fair, but it's not always possible. Testing out a new microphone, new setup. Obviously you guys have seen the GoPro install, or the GoPro mount install on the Rorock. So testing out the Rorock. So I've got the Rorock 4.0 on my head. I'm going to blast down the motorway like I said. I'm going to see what it's like. Pink micro, that were a bit different, a bit questionable, shall we say. So again, I don't know what the microphone quality is going to be like. I don't know if you can hear the exhaust popping and banging. That's the Delcovic 200mm. It's a first of all, don't stall your bike, ladies and gents. It's been a while since I've been on my bike, to be honest, so yeah, it happens to us all, we all do it. So let's blast out M1, see what wind noise is like. So with this we are at sort of 60 miles an hour at minute. Look at that, that's a funky looking thing. Very good, very nice. Watch out, Mr. Van. Get a bit of a wave because yeah, it's a funky looking thing that. Don't see many of them. What you can hear, you might be able to hear a bit of wind noise. Yeah, we'll see what it's like on the footage. It's the first time me sort of doing one of these vlogs. So yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying it. So this bike doesn't, oh, tell you what, I'll just we'll zip that up. So this bike does have cruise control just there. I will do a full walk around of what the bike's got. So this is a Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX 2022. So there is going to be a new model coming out next year. However, I can't be bothered waiting for it. There won't be much difference in it, just like there's not between the old model of this version and obviously the version I'm currently riding. So I did get the Tourer pack, so I've got the panniers on the side, as you've probably seen by the videos and stuff that I've released already. I've installed the tail tidy, which that was my last video on the Kawasaki. A bit of wind flying about up here. Again, this is a test of the microphone, I'll tell you. 4 miles coming up. brakes, all that kind of stuff. Maritime. See a lot of them over towards Castleford. I think their depots over there. Not sure what they do. So my friend doesn't actually know that I'm going over to see him. Working outside in the glorious sunshine. I looked at the weather app just before I set off and it was like 22, 23 degrees. Nice and warm. I think warmer than that. I don't really want to. I don't enjoy biking as much. It's a bit too warm then. Chat with him, one of my friends from yeah, we're gonna go have a chat with him, see what's what. See if he wants to be on the video. If he don't want to be on the video, that's fine. We'll put him on anyway. 2 miles. Let's turn the Nissan note and the van as well. And stuff. Oh, that'll look very safe, doesn't it? The ultimate test of the microphone is this one, guys. Obviously I do have an internal microphone, so I don't know if it'll be a test of the microphone and the roller. Just the roller. Just the mic, who knows? Hopefully it's not clipping, hopefully it sounds alright. Certainly a lot of wind flowing about as well. Let's go behind this one. Coming off here by the looks of it. Nice and relaxed at 60 mile an hour. Blow cobblers off bike a little bit as well. That's always a good thing to do. So this is my friend's first time at seeing this bike as well. So we'll get his reaction on the exhaust if he wants to be on it. Third exit. I'm guessing that's right. Process of elimination. Come on, you don't need to brake here yet. Yeah, got plenty of room. Yeah, I don't know. A628. Ooh. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit warm today, guys and girls. Let's get visor up and while we stopped. Caravan. It's not stalling at this junction today, yeah? It's not been naughty like that car there. So I've got a quick shifter enabled. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. Majority of the time I don't use it. It don't really work that good in my opinion. We'll talk about that in a later video. Some people really love it. I don't know, it's just something about it, it's not for me. But the Visor down. Blast up here in Dodder. Apparently it's just off this road here. You wanna watch what you're doing, mister, in the Volvo? It's got a nice little burble as this little whip. So I'm not sure where it is, guys. I think it's up here on left. But I'm not 100% sure. That's the chip shop he said he went to earlier. Ah, there we are, look, Valentine's Gym. I don't know if it's this one or the next one. It's this one, look. Where is he? Skiving away, sat there. Let's go and see him. Oh, that's a bit close, isn't it? In the back of the van. So this is a Ford event. What's happening? So we're going to end it here, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you in a bit.